In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Xero to Excel. To get started, open Xero in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, give the page a moment to fully load, so all menu options are visible and ready to use. This makes the process smoother and helps you avoid clicking into the wrong area. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu and select Reporting. When the drop-down menu appears, choose All Reports. This will take you to the full reports library, where you can access a wide range of financial reports available in Xero. From the list of reports, click the one you want to export. For example, you might choose a profit and loss report if you want to review income and expenses, or a balance sheet if you need a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and equity. The exact report you choose will depend on the type of data you want to work with in Excel. After opening the report, the next step is to set the correct date range. This is important because the exported file will reflect whatever reporting period is currently selected. Use the date range drop-down to choose an option such as end of this month or last quarter. If you need something more specific, select the custom date option and enter the exact range you want. Once your selection is in place, click Update. So the report refreshes with the right data. Now review the report briefly to make sure everything looks correct. This is a good habit before exporting, especially if you are preparing data for analysis, sharing, or record keeping. Confirm that the figures shown match the period you intended to export. When you are ready, click the Export button, which is usually located near the bottom right of the page. A drop-down menu will appear with the available export formats. From that menu, select Excel. Xero will then download the report as an .xlsx file, which you can open in Microsoft Excel or another spreadsheet program that supports that format. Once the file finishes downloading, you can open it and begin sorting, filtering, analyzing, or saving the data as needed. Exporting reports to Excel is especially useful when you want more flexibility for calculations, formatting, or combining the data with other business information. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.